if you're a hacker like me and you love to solve CTFs as training for your security abilities, one of the best is Ethernauts from OpenZeppelin. And I am recording a series about solving the challenges, the new challenges and the old ones. And I went there and it wasn't working. So first I tried to solve it on the Ethernaut side, but it seems that it's Band-Aid. It's not very efficient. And I made a video about it and shared that with the community, but someone told that it only happened when MetaMask updated to version 11.4. So I went to check it out, and yes, with version 11.3 it's working. So it's a lot better if you, instead of doing what I said in the other video, you change the version of MetaMask to version 11.3 temporarily while people at OpenZeppelin fix the issue, right? So that's what I'm sharing here in this video today with you guys, how to change the MetaMask version to a prior version. So hello hackers, my name is Pedro and welcome to DecentraWise channel. Here we share information about Web3 and blockchain development, security, and all the good stuff. So if you like these kind of things, you are in the right place. So let's go to check the problem. Here we are on the website, the Ethernauts website. And as you can see, I'm in Sepolia network. I have my MetaMask here. I am in Sepolia testnet, and because it's the one that they recommend. And I'm having the issue, right? This is the last version of MetaMask, and it's not working. So if you go to any challenge, if you get a new instance, it throws an error, and you cannot move away from it, right? So it's a bit disappointing when we want to do something and it just doesn't work. So this is a problem that the last version of MetaMask has a breaking change, at least for Ethernauts challenges. And so we need to uninstall MetaMask and install the previous version. How can we do that? So first, the most important thing, if this is an account that you use regularly and you don't want to create another one, I don't like to. I have my test accounts, and this is one of my test accounts. So I want to be able to use the same as it has already some test ether. It's a pain to go to faucets and have to wait for receiving the test ETH and so on. So let's avoid that. So to avoid that, we need to first go to settings, security and privacy, and get your recovery passphrase. Store it somewhere if you don't have it stored, and then you are good to go to uninstall MetaMask. Don't forget this step, because you will lose any funds and you will not be able to recover them if you don't have a copy of your passphrase or private key or whatever. Okay, so this is very important. I have it saved, so it's not a big deal for me. So let's go. First step, uninstall MetaMask. So we go to manage extensions, and this is Chrome, but in other browsers it's mostly the same. And you go and remove MetaMask. Remove, boom. They ask you if you are what motivated you. You don't have to reply to that. You can if you want. So now we are done. MetaMask is gone. As you can see, MetaMask, the uninstall of MetaMask didn't ask you anything. And if you didn't store your private key or your passphrase, you had lost it all, right? And without any chance to recover. So be mindful of that. That's one thing that comes with the ability to be your own bank. You have to safeguard your keys. So in order to install a prior version. There is no easy way to do this because the Chrome store doesn't allow you to install prior versions. So we need to go to developer mode, and in developer mode you can load your own extensions if you want that you are developing or something like that. So that's what we will use to solve this. So we have this new panel here as we enabled developer mode here, and now we have to download the prior version of MetaMask. So let's go to GitHub, exactly. Let's search for MetaMask. There you go. Make sure that you are on the right place. MetaMask is the organization that you have to go, right? And there is a repository called MetaMask extension. This is the one, right? Probably you will find fake ones, and there's a lot of people trying to fish stuff like this. So be mindful of that, okay? MetaMask is the right organization, and that's the one and only we should use. So we go here, MetaMask extension, and we have releases here, as you can see. The latest version is 11.4.1, but we can click here and go to the releases list. As you can see, there is a 11.4.0 and there is an 11.3.0. This is the one that we need to install. So we go down and there is an assets thingy, and we open it and we see MetaMask Chrome. I'm using Chrome. If you are using Firefox or whatever, just choose the version that applies to you. And we download the zip file. So let's download it. Just click and we download it. Okay. So we have it locally. Fine. Now I am going to place it somewhere. Be mindful that if you don't place it somewhere where it can stay while you are using this fix, if you remove it or you move it somewhere else after doing this procedure, it will stop working. So you need to have the directory where that you use to install it permanent while you use the version that is not the final version. Okay, so let's put it here in this folder. I will just move it there. Just a moment. Boom, there you go. And right now we have this is in a zip file, so we have to unpack it. In Mac, it's just double click. If you are using Windows or whatever, you do whatever you have to do to unzip a file, right? And there you go. There is a folder with the version that we need. So we can put this away. Boom. And we can go back to our extensions tab, and here we will click load unpacked. It says properly unpacked, so we need to unpack it before, right? So load unpacked tells us to search for the directory. It's this one, select, and there you go. Installed the version of MetaMask, the 11.3.0. It's as easy as this. So I agree, import an existing wallet. Okay, now I have to put the passphrase. Let's do that. We grab it a moment. There we go. We have the passphrase and boom, we imported our accounts. Now we choose a password, a new password, because we just imported this key, right? We choose something. I don't advise you to use weak passwords. This is a test account. It's not important for me, so I don't really care. But if you have funds in your wallet, you have to choose a proper password or use the password manager of Chrome or whatever browser you use to have a strong password, right? This wallet doesn't have any funds, so I don't really care. It's just to okay. Wallet creation successful. Got it. Okay. Thank you, MetaMask, for all the information you are sharing with us. And here we are. Now we are on mainnet. Okay. So let's go away to Sepolia. And there we are. We have our wallet imported. We have our funds there. Everything is good to go. We can close this MetaMask tab and we can pin our extension to on there. Okay, everything is good to go. And now let's try out. connect with MetaMask. Yes, perfect. And we don't have error anymore. So now we can go and do our challenges without any problems. Okay, so this is it, guys. It's as simple as this. We just need to follow these steps, and then happy hacking, you geeks like me. So this is it. I hope you liked it, and I hope you can now play and do all the challenges and become a security geek like us in DecentraWise. So hope you like this video, and if you do, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe for more, because we will be sharing all the solutions for Ethernaut and other CTFs and many other things. We are putting videos every day, mostly. So if you want to get in touch with us, we do a live stream every Monday. So check that out and join the party if you feel like. We usually have nice chats with about everything Web3 and blockchain and security. So join and say hi. And thanks for joining us in our mission to decentralize the world wisely. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye.